Now, don't goof up while making this video, yeah? It's important that you don't goof up, that you get it all exactly... Whoops, sorry. Okay, hi there, students. To goof up. Well, it looks like I goofed up the start of the video. It's an informal phrase meaning to make a mess of something, to bungle, to be totally inept. Yeah, to goof up. I think goof up's probably more American than British, but yeah, if you're careless or irresponsible, then you goof up. You could call a person a goof up. No, I hope you didn't ask that goof up to do the job. This is somebody who habitually makes mistakes. They get into trouble because they're careless, they're irresponsible. And I guess a goof up as well, a mistake, yeah, a blunder, yeah. Okay, so to goof up, yeah, well, I goofed up a couple of times. If businesses goof up, then they tend to lose money. Okay, so to goof up, to make a stupid mistake, a goof up, a silly mistake. So to goof something up, I goofed it up. Separable phrasal verb. To do something really badly, to cause something to fail. Yeah. They're waiting for him to goof up in at work, and then they can sack her. Yeah, because they need a reason to sack her, but I need to goof up before they can sack me. Maybe if I was goofing off. Okay, so goof. Yeah, clumsy, stupid. A goof, a clumsy mistake. Yeah, to goof up, to botch, to bungle, to fumble, to mismanage, to spoil, to louse up, to make a mess of something. Yeah, I'm very good at goofing up. I've had a lot of years practicing how to goof up in different ways. Yeah. I told some dirty jokes at the party, and everybody started staring at me. So I realised I had really goofed up. Yeah, I'd really made a mistake. Yeah. Okay, so to goof up, to make a mess of something. Yeah. Okay, to goof up on the job, goof up while you're working. Yeah, if I goof up one more time at work, yeah, or if I goof it up again, if I goof my work up, they're going to sack me. Yeah, so to goof up, making mistakes, but out of ignorance, confusion, laziness, being unprepared to perform something badly. I really goofed up the writing section of my exam. Yeah, I hope I haven't goofed up this video. Well, if I goof up anywhere in this video, please let me know. Yeah. Okay, so to goof up, to make a mess of something, to do it really badly. If you goof up again, you're going to be in real trouble. Yeah, to blunder, to mess up, to make a mistake, to put your foot in it. Yeah. Okay, so goof up. Yeah, if I try skateboarding, I'll probably goof up and fall off and hurt myself. When things don't work very well, I'm very, very worried about repairing them, because I'll probably goof up and make new problems, or damage it even more thoroughly by my incompetence. Okay, I goofed it up, so it's transitive and separable. To mess up, to make a mess of something. Okay, more American than British, but I think you could use it in British without any problem. As to origin, well, so formality first. 3 3, use it informally. I would just use it informally, no more. There's a Middle English word, goffen, to speak in a frivolous manner. Maybe Old English gaff, lewd, dirty, gegaff, buffoonery, something like that. Okay, so, yeah, to goof up. I goofed up again. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To goof it up.